Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide on how to study smarter and not harder. As students, we all know the struggle of trying to balance our coursework, assignments, and exams while also maintaining a social life. It can be overwhelming, and often we find ourselves studying for long hours without seeing the desired results. That's where studying smarter comes in. It's all about being more efficient and effective with your studying techniques. So let's dive into how you can become a smarter and more successful student. Chapter 1. Organize your study space. The first step to studying smarter is to set up a conducive study space. A disorganized and cluttered environment can be distracting and make it difficult to focus. Therefore, start by decluttering your desk and having all the necessary study materials within reach. Utilize tools such as storage boxes or shelves to keep your space tidy and create a peaceful ambience by adding some plants or scented candles. A well-organized study space can do wonders for your productivity and motivation. Chapter 2. Goal setting. Setting realistic goals is essential for studying smarter. Without a clear goal in mind, you may find yourself aimlessly studying without a specific purpose. Set short-term and long-term goals for each subject and break them down into smaller, achievable tasks. This will provide you with a sense of direction and help you stay on track. Chapter 3. Prioritize your tasks. One of the main reasons for studying harder is not knowing where to start and feeling overwhelmed by the workload. This is where prioritizing your tasks becomes crucial. Identify the most important and urgent tasks and tackle them first. This will not only save you time, but it will also reduce your stress levels. Remember to also take breaks in between tasks to avoid burnout. Chapter 4. Use active learning techniques. Active learning involves engaging with the study material rather than just passively reading or listening. One effective technique is the Pomodoro method, which uses a timer to break down study sessions into 25 minutes of work, followed by 5 minutes of breaks. This helps to keep your mind fresh and focused. Other techniques include creating flashcards, summarizing notes, and teaching the material to someone else. Chapter 5. Take advantage of technology. In today's digital age, there is an abundance of resources available to students. Take advantage of technology by using apps and online tools to help you study smarter. There are many study apps that offer flashcards, quizzes, and interactive study games. You can also use online platforms to collaborate with classmates for group study sessions or seek help from experienced tutors. Chapter 6. Practice, practice, practice. The key to mastering any subject is practice. Keep practicing past papers, sample questions, and quizzes to test your knowledge and understanding. This will help you identify your weak areas and work on them. Practice not only helps to solidify concepts, but also boosts your confidence for exams. Chapter 7. Take care of yourself. Studying smarter also means taking care of yourself. Make sure to get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and eat healthy meals. A well-rested and nourished body leads to a sharper mind and better memory retention. Neglecting self-care can leave you feeling exhausted and unmotivated to study. Chapter 8. Ask for help. There is no shame in asking for help when you need it. If you are struggling with a concept or a subject, reach out to your teachers, classmates, or tutors for assistance. Many educational institutions offer tutoring services for students. Don't be afraid to ask for extra help. It shows a determination to learn and improve. Chapter 9. Review and reflect. After completing a study session, take a few minutes to review and reflect on what you have learned. This will help reinforce the information in your brain and highlight any concepts that may need further clarification. Make this a habit after each study session, and you will see a significant improvement in your understanding and retention of the material. Conclusion. And there you have it, the ultimate guide on how to study smarter and not harder. Remember to organize your study space, set goals, prioritize tasks, utilize active learning techniques and technology, practice, take care of yourself, ask for help, and review and reflect. With these techniques, you can become a more efficient and successful student without having to spend endless hours studying. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice. Happy studying! If you liked this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update, and press the like button. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.